Hi, Quinn. How are you? Okay. You're just a little bit older than 7 months. Yeah. Want to show everybody how much you like remote controls? Hey, well, look at the remote control. Go for it. Oh, you got it. This tastes good. Here. Okay, gotta reach for it. Gotta reach for it. Gotta reach. Come on. You can do it. Oh, you got it. Got it. And you love the remote control. Hi, Quinn. Hello. Hello. Let's see. What if it's over? What if it's way over there? What are you gonna do? Hey, what are you gonna do? See the remote? Oh, reach. Reach. Oh, get that instead. That's not very good. Yeah, what about the remote control? What about this remote control? Hey. You can't reach it, so you just go for that instead? What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing? Hey, Quinn. You can do it. You can get it. Oh, yeah, you gotta figure out how to crawl. Hey, not quite yet. Hey, not quite yet. Close. Close. Hey. Yes. Oh, you got it. You love it? Hey? All right. Oh, okay. Say goodbye to everybody.